don't think I've filmed a video yet with my wall almost fully completed in the background, so what's up? Hey guys, what is up? Back at it again with a new video. This is actually a really scary but also awesome video to make. I have been contemplating on making this video for like 2 years or so now, so here we are, we're making it. Now the reason why I'm doing this video is because 1, I deal with it all the time, and 2, I hit 500 subs. Like 500 subscribers. I did not think that was gonna happen, so hey! Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me and watching and just supporting. I really enjoy making these videos. I really enjoy having you guys, so thank you so much for 500. Let's get on with the video. As you can see from the title of this video, 500 subscribers, like I said, and also car girls. That's awesome. One of the YouTubers that I watched named Panos actually did a call out video around August, I think it was. Basically, he called out tons of girls in the automotive scene to make a YouTube channel. Here I am responding to it. Your girl got a YouTube channel again since high school. I gratefully accepted this challenge. Welcome to this mess. In this video, he made a few observations about women in the car scene. He talked about the imbalance of male versus female in the car scene, let alone on YouTube, as well as the type of content that a lot of women that are in the automotive section on YouTube produce, and not to mention all the things that we go through. You know, being a rarity in the automotive scene. He called out the question that a lot of female car enthusiasts get, which I myself have even gotten multiple times. Is that your boyfriend's car? Why? Why? Or even the classic statement, oh, your dad let you drive his car, congratulations. Boy. I don't want to talk about this video a lot, but I am going to point out more key things, such as the advice he gave when it comes to dealing with female car enthusiasts. He gave the advice to just be normal, be chill to us, and, you know, respect us and treat us like normal human beings. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Which already brings me to the next video I want to talk about. I stumbled upon this video while I was looking for car girls on YouTube, and I found this channel. Sam S2K, I will put her link in the description. She made a video about what it's like to be a girl in the car community. Definitely a hard video to make, like that took a lot. I congratulate this girl. She made the point that not only is it hard for us to make friends in the car scene in general, but especially female ones. There's even been posts from big YouTube channels of the analytics of their actual channels. There's not a lot of women that watch it. I am so fortunate to have the friend group that I do have. I appreciate all of you, and especially so fortunate to have the female car friends that I actually do have as well. Shout out to my girls. Shout out to my other friends too. Shout out to all of you guys. So although the point that she made in her video doesn't pertain to me, I definitely understand the issue. She also touched on a really interesting and hard topic to talk about in that video. The types of women that are in the car scene. Obviously, there are gonna be so many types of different people in different categories of life, especially in different scenes. But a lot of us females in the car scene typically get lumped into like 2 categories. Car models, car girls. She talked about the car girls at car shows and the car models at car shows and the difference between them. Me, personally, I never thought I would be a car model. Fast forward to now, here we are. Insert clip. Was a really good time, would recommend. From personal experience, a lot of car models aren't really actually interested in the cars. They are there because they're getting paid, or getting some sort of work out of it. There's nothing wrong with that. I support. I'm biased, but I also support. Versus the car girls are there because they're either showing their car, they're with their boyfriend, they're supporting their friends, they're with a booth, whatever it may be. Very different. Like I said, nothing wrong with that. Please don't hate me. I know personally and on social media a lot of car girls that are not only owning like that female driver side, but also killing it as car models. Again, not trying to be biased. I am personally so thankful to be a part of both the communities and both sides of that. Like I said, I never thought I would be a car model or a promo girl or anything, but here I am doing that while also still trying to afford my own car. Anyways, towards the end of her video, she made a really good point. There are a lot of girls that are actually into cars. Just don't be too quick to judge them before they can prove it to you. I personally dealt with that myself, and it's really obnoxious, and that might be one of the factors that drives a lot of girls away from the car community. Partial personal opinion, but also just what I've seen. The last and third YouTube video I want to reference is one that is so dear to my heart. I just love it. It's one of my favorite YouTube videos of all time. Gears and Gasoline is an amazing channel. Would recommend. They did a feature on car girls posing the question, where are the car girls? They not only had amazing footage from that video and awesome cars, but they also got a female perspective on things and women that do actually deal with cars. I'm not going to say too much about it, just in hopes that you'll watch the video, do it for me. I'll put the link in the description down below for you guys to go watch it. I want to give another shout out and another thanks to 500 of you guys that subscribed and support me and continue to, and hopefully we'll be here for a minute, you know? It does mean a lot. I didn't think that this would happen, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys that actually subscribed and watch and give feedback. And to all my friends that personally support me, I love you guys so much. It's insane. Also, if you haven't peeped the sweatshirt, shout out to Adam's Polishes. I'll put their on the screen and their link down below for where you can buy all their merch, as well as their amazing detailing products. I have a couple. Shout out to Nicole for that one. I'll put her channel down below too. Also, low-key shout out to my parents for buying me the sweatshirt for Christmas. I wear it all the time. It's one of the most high-quality sweatshirts I have owned, probably will ever own, to be honest. Super warm, super comfy, great colors. But yeah, guys, check out all the links in the description box down below. I'm pretty sure that's all I had to say. So stay tuned for my next video next week. I try to upload once a week. Thank you guys for watching.